Let's get to your stock picks. I will start off with you, Shane.
So I was punting Sasol the other day in the 70s. The shares bounced into the 80s, and I'll continue to punt Sasol. I would say there are three reasons, and the one is a recently emerging reason, and that is that in the budget, which was given to journalists, leaked, and then not read, there was an announcement to postpone the carbon tax that Sasol would have had to pay. And this is obviously an environmental legislation that was coming, but it was going to be very expensive for Sasol. It was going to cost them between 3.5 and 7 billion. This is now delayed, and that is one of the reasons why the Sasol share price has bounced up from late 70s into the mid 80s. I think the other reason to be bullish Sasol, as I said previously, is that I think Simon Baloyi is a good chief executive, and I think he's at last trying to extract value from these assets. And you know, if they were to sell Lake Charles, that could easily be 50% of the Sasol's market cap right there. I think results on Monday, and we'll know more after that.
All right, so Sasol for Shane. What are you going for, Andrew?
Darling, my pick is Alphabet. So I think US markets are a bit stretched at the moment, but on a forward PE basis, Alphabet's on 20, which I don't think is excessive compared to the rest of the S&P 500. They've got a very strong balance sheet, and lots of businesses under the hood there that are phenomenal. If we look at YouTube just as a standalone business, revenue is about $50 to $55 billion. That's more than Netflix. So I think they're a phenomenal business, not excessively priced, strong balance sheet, great businesses under the hood. And that's why they're my stock pick today.
All right, so Alphabet and Sasol, gents, thanks so much for joining me this afternoon. Thanks to my guests, Andrew Padoa from Sasfin Wealth and Shane Watkins from All Weather Capital. Remember that Stockwatch pre-records on a Monday and Wednesday at 1 p.m. and is live at 6:30 p.m. on a Tuesday and Thursday, while Stockwatch this week is live at 12:30 p.m. on Fridays. Keep that in mind and keep your questions coming through. For now, that's all from Stockwatch this week, but do stay tuned for lots more coming up right here on Business Day TV.